Understanding the eye of the hurricane, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, the eye of the hurricane. This expression is not only a meteorological term but also a powerful metaphor used in various contexts. Our journey will help you understand its meanings and applications, so you can confidently use it in your conversations and writing. Let's dive into the calm center of this linguistic storm. The phrase, the eye of the hurricane, refers to the center of a hurricane, characterized by a calm, clear area surrounded by a powerful, stormy outer ring. Despite the chaos raging around it, the eye is surprisingly peaceful, with little to no wind and clear skies. This phenomenon occurs due to the way hurricanes form and rotate, creating a low-pressure center where the fierce exterior winds cannot penetrate. Understanding this term is crucial for anyone learning about weather patterns, especially those in regions prone to such natural disasters. It's a vivid description that captures the stark contrast between calmness and turmoil. Beyond its scientific meaning, the eye of the hurricane is also used metaphorically to describe a situation or a moment of peace amidst chaos. In life, work, or even in emotional contexts, it represents a brief respite or a zone of tranquility in the midst of turmoil and challenges. For example, in a very busy workweek full of deadlines and meetings, a quiet hour of reading might be described as the eye of the hurricane. It signifies a temporary escape from stress, offering a chance to recharge before facing the storm again. To use the eye of the hurricane effectively, understand the context. Is it a literal discussion about weather? Or are you using it as a metaphor? Be clear about the contrast. Highlight the calmness within a turbulent situation to make your point more vivid. Practice. Try incorporating the phrase in different sentences or scenarios to become comfortable with its usage. And that's a wrap on the eye of the hurricane. Whether you're discussing the weather or describing a peaceful moment in a hectic day, this phrase adds color and depth to your English. Remember, learning a language is like navigating through a storm, and every new expression you master is a step towards the calm center. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.